neza cyane nk'aburujijo ndetse n'amayobera ku bashidikanyaho. Lionsgate Films, Lionsgate Entertainment Company barakugezaho. Turatangiye. Iyi ngiyi ngiye kuyihana the best. Dutangira kuri ruhande ari imodoka ya gisirikare yari kubitirije urugendo. Urebe neza witonze. Sonora ni muri Mexico, niho dutangire Mexico. Mexico ni igihugu kiri mu majyepfo ya Amerika. Ho gatuwa cyane. Uvuye muri Amerika amajyaruguru.
Come on. It's not every day the Mexican government turns over one of the countries.
Ariko se mwari ubuyobozi bwa Mexico bumeze bute mwana?
Didn't ask, Tommy. Just following orders.
Basore gerageza ko mwashaka kwinjira byinshi cyane. Twebwe icyo tujya gukora no gukurikiza amategeko twahawe.
Move out, make it quick. Any questions?
Icyo tujya gukora tubikora vuba. Ujye tugaruka. Warren umeze neza?
Sir.
Meze neza nyakubaho.
Oh, sir. Black and white, gentlemen.
Barakokinga. Aho baje. Icyo bagomba gukora ni kimwe, no gukurikiza amategeko. Niki kibazanye? Hakunanga ni mu cyaro cya Bahia Kino muri Mexique, muri Mexico. Bahia Kino cyaro niko bakita Village of Bahia Kino. Ya modoka ya gisirikare yaraje parika kuri ruhande. Bari kumwe na Captain John Dutton. Marana muraka ariko agarutse mwita. Babiri kakunanga aha. Ibi foto.
Hey Santos, levántate.
Oh Santos.
Por ti.
Spanish ni iravugwa. Español.
Bien viene.
Uyu nguyu baramufunze ariko ruwundi rumugera runywa.
Gracias.
Yebana n'uyu kabisha. Mugosha. Uyu nguyu n'urumugera runywera muri gereza. Bamufungiye urumogi anarunywera muri gereza. Raka.
Senor Santos, you play this like a gentleman.
Mushuti Santos.
We'll do the same.
N'ubundi ni handi ibyo bagufungira ibyo ugikora.
For the gentleman.
Nose imeze bite mwana umva twebwe nuko tumeze nuko tumeze. Ugiye kujyana natwe. Mwaka bitari kwino wa mukinga we. Wanyoye rwinshi wacuruje rwishi. N'ubundi nibyo urimo urazira tugende. Natwe twigenderisha. Si cyanwa bwe mugenzi we ngo bagende. Santos bakimara kumushyira mu modoka. Ari ndi modoka ari yaje. Wewe dufite gurikizi we.
We gotta move.
Dufite kwerekera. Raka. Santos bataramutwara. Bisasu. Santos bataramutwara dore sasu. Bisasa ha. Moto. Bisasu.
We gotta leave him.
Wewe tuvakuranga twete tujye ibintu byakomewe irondo ryifanze n'ibisambo. Santos bataramutwara. Bose bataramutwara. Dore sasa ha. Mama we, izi zose ni incamake. Filime niratangira. Bazira filime noneho. Izi ziba ari incamake filime itaratangira. Dagitunda. Abasirikare patroli. N'abasirikare bari baje gutwara Santos acuruza guumugi. Yari drug dealer warukaze cyane. Yari pushayi warukaze cyane. Nakumutwara. Babaye bamutwaye. Abapagasi bazahembwa nande. Namave gutwara boss arakenewe patroli. Ari abasirikare baramukeneye, ari abapagasi bakeneye boss bamwinjiza mu modokari. We tugende. Tangira modokari. Ba pushayi mukuru baramutwaye. Patroli. Isasu. Uyu baramuhaye. Imodokari yirenze kandi kamodokari kakogotse kari kahiye. Modokari parika nabi. Captain John Dutton ndetse n'abagenzi be uyu munsi niborohewe. Abanywa rumogi n'abanarucuruza nago baboroheye. Santos akuvira mu modokari arerekera. Santos niwe pushayi mukuru.
Oh shit.
Mwanda wera. Imodokari yarakongotse. Hafi mu basore bose bazanye na Captain John Dutton. Bazanye baje kurya Santos. Baje gutwara Santos. Bose bari bashiriye aha. Abandi banywa rumogi barashe. John Dutton. Bana muvandimwe. Kwema pisto.
Debías de haber quedado en la cárcel, mano.
Avuga Spanish ahora kubeshya. Santos baramurashe. Abari baje basa nko baje kumutabara nibo bamurangije muri business. Niyo mpamvu bakubwira ngo nawo kwizerwa uhari muri business, nawo kwizerwa uhari. Fort Tillman hanga hari mu biro bya Lieutenant Doyle, Boss. Yeah.
Sir, believe me, if I had the nerve, I'd blow my brain. Since I am afraid to die, I want total immunity.
Uva ndakubwiza ukuri barabaye bamfasha umva ntapfa.
Santos was taken out today. You think I have time?
Santos agombaga gutwarwa uyu munsi, ariko ibintu ntabwo byagenze neza, byarangiye bamwishe.
Your email to Pentagon and get back to me soon.
Umva ibyo nkubwira mfa vuba bidatinze uza ko igisubizo cy'ibyo ngibyo nguhaye. Umugabo yari afite ubwoba n'umusirikare.
Huh? That's pure coke with no cut on it. This shit's been stepped on. Hey,
ariko se mwana by'ibi ngibi biki abanga bacuruza urumogi.
Do you want the stuff or not?
Ushaka kubara none ha mwana.
Look, we want it, but the price is too high.
Muri mwana twebwe nitwe dukira ibiciro mwana, nitwe dukira ibiciro ku isoko. Baragakoma. Kanu bagahire. Umogi. Bagira gukurikire. Shize mu kimogi. Kimogi. Jinga we. Ngo baramurangije. Tim Abel amazina nyakuri y'uyu mugabo. Yagukiriye muri drive kabiri.
get the hell out of here. Vámonos aquí.
We tuvakora nga tugende. Mwana tugende mwana mugenzi wacu baramwishe mwana. Mwana n'urumogi. Umva niba mushaka amahoro mugende. Urumogi bararusize.
I'm tired of dealing with those low-level scumbag boys. We gotta start thinking bigger.
Uva mwana. Ari ikintu dufite gikomeye cyane.
It's going down now,
Sarge, ibyo dukora tubikore vuba. Abagabo nabo n'abasirikari. Uyu akiri hakuno.
Did I get the immunity?
Yeah. You're immune. You rat bastard.
Gombe ko yiteguye wakinyendaro. Mugabo afite mu bwoba.
Stand down.
Goma hasi. Sasu. Baramumenye umugabo yari afite ubwoba. Yikariwe bitaga Doyle.
On the Fox 2, immunity has been granted.
Bana kabisa ibintu bikoze nkuko mwabimbwiye boss. Akazi ndagasoje. American World Pictures ndetse na Lionsgate Films Inc. barakugeza kuri uyu muso none. Nasta Video Library line mu cyumva. The creator Mark L. Lester niwe nyiriga filime. Turatangiye. Zira zose zani ncamake. Mark Dacascos benshi mukunda kumwita ngo ni Marana. Yabonetse muri Only the Strong Survive. Yabonetse muri DNA The Best. Iki ni igice cya mbere. The Best ni ibirindiro. Hamwe basirikare bakambika. Tim Abel yabonetse muri Kill Instinct. Yagarutse muri akangaka. Paula Trekey nawe karimo. Paula Trekey. Noah Black, Dwayne Macopsone nawe karimo. Christian Butcher, Madison Mason. Bose n'abakinnyi. Frederick Coffin. Sanduku nawe karimo Coffin. Mark Tillman yakoze kuri casting ku myambarire y'abakinnyi. Turatangiye. Caroline Max yakoze ku myambarire y'abakinnyi custom design. Kandi Guterres production designer. Turacyatangira. Ndacyabakuramo. Brian Eri Etingi uyu nguyu itiranwa n'umuhungu wanjye yabaye associate producer. Ba brand bakunda kwara batari cyane. David Belataskaye yatereteranyije agafilime. Turatangiye. Jax Haitekini cyangwa se Jacques yayoboye amafoto. Paul Jesus yashyizemo akaziki uhereye no kuri ako. Jeff Albert Hesh Lefani abo bakoze kuri montage. Turacyatangira. Ajyanye natangiye kuyakoramo akazi. Jeff Sackman executive in charge of production, executive producer Sackman. Dana Mark L. Lester baranonosuye. Turatangiye. Ubona natangiye kuyakoramo akazi. Mark L. Lester nyiriga filime ubwe yaranayoboye.
More like family to you.
Dutangire Pentagon.
My men knew the risk they were taking. But this op was double classified. If there was any doubt that this was...
Nakoze ibishoboka ibyo byose nyina basore twari turi kumwe ariko gusabye kuri none abagabo twanganaga nabo nago bari boroke. Uyaje gutanga report kwa Fande.
And instead of rescuing Santos, Rosado executed him.
Umva, Santos bwagakwiye kuba mwamuzanye ari muzima.
Sir.
Nyakuba twagerageje.
Come on in.
Umva ngwino. Hey! Santos agombaga kumuzana ari muzima. Gusa nanone ba Pushayi bagenzi be niwe wamurangije.
You know everyone, John.
John urabizi kuri ibintu bimeze aha. Ageze gutya iki gikobwa barasa ngo baziranye.
Carlos Santos. The Mexican drug.
Carlos Santos, uyu mugabo yari umucuruzi w'urumogi ukomeye cyane muri Mexico.
To extradite. We were hoping Santos would provide information regarding payoffs to American soldiers.
Byibuze tuza kwa twabona Santos twari bubone amakuru nyayo afatika y'abantu bacuruza ajya urumogi nawe.
Controlling the Cal-Mex border. As it turns out,
uyu mugabo yakoreye ku mupaka wa Mexique.
He was assassinated by this man.
Ndetse yajyaga kwenda kwacisha imogi byinshi cyane gusa uyu munsi yishwe n'abagenzi be.
Emilio Rosato.
Uyu nguyu amwita Emilio Rosato.
Santos is second in command.
Uyu nguyu niwe wari icyegera cya Santos.
He was sent in to rescue him, killed him instead, and took over his operation.
Baje basanga nibo baje gufunguza Santos ariko byarangiye ari bo bamwishe.
What we're going to show you now, Major, are the soldiers that we believe benefited from the attack on your unit.
Gusa byukuri none abasirikare twa dufite twa twize kare bagakwiye ko bagiye ikintu badukorera.
This is Sergeant Michael S. Gammon, U.S. Army, stationed at Fort Tillman. Emilio Rosato.
Ara abasirikare bamaze ngo bena Amerika akora ngaha.
Santos is second in
uyu nguyu amwita Emilio Rosato.
Command.
Uyu nguyu ni cyegera yari cyegera cya Santos.
He was sent in to rescue him, killed him instead, and took over his operation.
Aba naboherejwe kugira ngo baze kuba babuhoza Santos ariko byarangiye ari bo bamwishe.
What we're going to show you now, Major, are the soldiers
Major arashaka ko nakwereka
that we believe benefited from the attack.
Ndetse uyu mugabo twize ko ashobora kuba dukora akazi neza arabaye afatanyije n'abagenzi be barangaha.
On your unit. This is Sergeant Michael S. Gammon, U.S. Army, stationed
uyu nguyu bamwita Sergeant S. Gammon
at Fort Tillman.
Yeah, man. He was given a Silver Star after Desert Storm, wasn't he? Rescued a ward full of patients from a hospital during a Scud attack.
That's right.
Yabwa tuva twego twagakwiye kuba twakora akazi singombwa ngo mwe mwatuzana abandi bantu.
Medical for a while.
Umva.
Turned in excellent condition, but
gusa byukuri none ibyo bajya kuba badusaba ko nanga birasa ngo bijye kuba byafata condition ndende.
Why?
Kubera
Cracks can be patched, Major, but the weak spot's always there.
Major ndagusezeranya ko ibintu byose bijye kuba byagenda neza mu gihe turaza kuba dusenge ku mugozi umwe turaza kuba twagarika abo bantu bacuruza imogi.
Nicholas Castellano.
Uyu nguyu amwita Nicholas Castellano.
Richard P. Henderson.
Uyu nguyu amwita Anderson.
All stationed at Tillman. Fairly clean records, although Castellano came into the Army as a
byiza cyane birimo kuvuga birimo birumvikana.
Problem child. Knox is Gammon's shadow. Henderson is his right hand.
Ndetse gose byukuri nginaga imikino gusa Anderson muri bare bose arasa nk'ari uri hasi. Gusa araza kuba yabafasha cyane.
These snapshots were sent to us, courtesy of Lieutenant Stephen Doyle, also stationed at Fort Tillman. Seems that Gammon and company have been getting fat taking payoffs from Santos on the...
Icyo ndimo ndakubwira ni kimwe musore muto. Wowe wagakwiye kuwakiyunga kuri iyi kipe. Iyi kipe ni ikipe isa nkaho ikorera hamwe. Murasengera ku mugozi umwe muri uburyo mwagarika abantu bacuruza ibiyobyabwenge.
With all due respect, sir, but...
Ibyo mbwira ndabyubaha.
It's a simple police.
Umva biroroshye ariko.
He's already admitted involvement in drug trafficking and racketeering.
Bari abagabo n'ubundi basanzwe bakora mu ikipe ihagarika abantu bacuruza ibimogi.
Men are selling drugs to the local dealers and U.S. munitions to a major cocaine distributor.
Lieutenant Doyle called us last night.
Intambara turimo turarwara muri aka kanya niyo kuba twagarika aba bagabo bacuruza urumogi.
We need your help.
Mbona ukeneye ubufasha. Uyu nabyumva. Kuno washobora kuba wamubwira.
Brigadier General Albert Becker.
You think he's involved?
Umva.
What we want you to find out.
Murasoko mujye kuba mwagera ku itegeko rya General Becker.
I believe you two have worked together before.
Gusa byukuri none mbere yo kugenda ubanza ibitekerezo neza musore.
Yes, sir, we have in the Philippines. It was hot.
Gusa ntacyo bitwaye.
You'll be wearing a wire this time, Major.
Gusa byukuri Major nawe ugomba kuba uri tayari.
Good morning, Lieutenant.
Tugaruka ko nangane kuri Fort Tillman Army Base ku biriro bya gisirikare muri California. Fort Tillman Army Base muri California. Uyu ayingoya ari kipe agomba kwiyungaho ya gisirikare y'abasirikare bagenzi be. bagasenyera ku mugozi umwe bakarwanya bari aba drug dealers bari abantu bakamejeje bapushaye bakamejeje buretse
Papers.
ibitamburishe sha nene mugenzi wabo.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Bana murakoze cyane ugira umunsi mwiza murakoze. Welcome murakoze. Komeza urugendo. Captain John Danton niko agarutse bamwita muri aka ngaka. Marana niko umuzi nka Marana. Captain John Danton Fort Tillman ami base muri California. Hariho turi we amahe soja. Uyu ni mugenzi wanjye ubu twakubahana. Uyu turubahana. Amazi y'abakomanda amazi. Bas aje kuri uruhande ndagira ngo mwibutse twabonye hari abandi basirikare nabo basa ngo bacuruza ibimogi ku buryo bahura na bapushayi bahuye barabica bakabatwara ibiyobyabwenge kandi ubayoboye ni wa mugabo twabonye bita ngo ni Sergeant Gammon ngo yari umwe ngo mu ikipe yari ikomeye cyane ni wari wabayenga abasore ngo bahagarikaga ngo ba drug dealers bapushayi urebe neza witonze.
Quite a character you are, Corporal Dalton.
Sir.
Your record here has more spots on it than a...
barakwereka aje kunangaha aha niho bamwohereje agomba kuba yahura n'ikipe yanuze ya Sergeant Gammon ubundi none ngo bagasenyera ku mugozi umwe bakarwanya bapushayi.
I'm an officer, son. When I need a reminder, I will send for the president. Now,
sasa musore,
you gonna behave yourself in our fine base here?
Nizere kutagiye kuwakemereza cyane muri ibi birindiro, sibyo? Yega fandi.
You try. You are gonna try.
Ibyo uragerageza kugerageza byose.
Son.
Ugenda gake.
I will bust your ass down.
Kuko ari nje uyobora hanga uribeshye ushaka gutwara ibintu mu biganza byawe. Ndakumira bunguri wa musore. Ndabyumva fande. Ndakurikiza amategeko.
That'll be all.
Dore kuna fande areba. Kubitirisa ari ebana cyo. Cyabusha. Nuko ajyeuka we. Ubonye uko urajyauka. Captain John Danton. Fande. Arongera asura mu dosiye y'umusuri. Uriya musuri arabona adasanzwe. Uriya musuri adasanzwe. Fort Tillman ami base. Birindiro bya gisirikare. Bari muri California turi. Los Angeles. Raka aza kuri uruhande. Ni ibisore babirimo biritoza amasaha yose. Ni bigenzi bya Gammon. Kumbe Gammon na warahari Sergeant Gammon. Dore nguyu Tim Abel amazina nyakuri original names. Nakubwira abonetse muri Kill Instinct yagarutse muri aka ngaka.
Corporal John Dalton reporting. And Rebecca assignment to the unit. Thought I might do well here.
Bana baranyoreje ngo nzakurangaza kwingo kuri unity yawe.
Find that out.
Ugomba kuba witeguye musore.
Tell you what. Since your first day and all, take it easy on you. How about that? Yes, Sergeant.
Bana kabisa ibintu bitware gahoro wiyoroshye. Yego Sergeant.
Corporal Knox, Corporal Dalton.
Caporale. Ndagira ngo uyu musore umusuzume turebe ko urameze. Niba yakwiga ku ikipe. Caporale, ngo ni koporo.
Gentlemen, sit in the pit.
Dalton. Square gear. Sergeant.
Uri tayari ndi tayari. Ndi tayari Sarge. Gwino sha bagomba kubanza bakamusuzuma. Nagupfa kwiyuga gutyo kwikundi. Batubanje kumusuzuma. Sergeant Gammon akurana n'ibisore bikaze cyane. Fasha igiti sha. Fasha ku giti. Hey. Captain John Danton bagomba kubanza bakamusuzuma. Uramusore ko mubona mabire akikora nonsa. Kuri amusore mubone amabere akikora nonsa. Fanda ritegereza. Bagomba kubanza bakamusuzuma. Nagupfa kujya mu ikundi gutyo. Nagupfa kujya mu ikundi gutyo. Igikingo kiramubonye ngo amabere ngo yikora kitonse. Utwe. Bose yaje basi. Bose yaje basi. Raka. Uri. ni ibisori Sergeant Gamon akorana n'ibisori wa mugingo we gwaramukanze eba ni yamini mishi kubikira Sergeant Gamon byose arabireba fandi ukuri yikundi
Peterson, Castellano, in.
wegera nawe sha sore baramwatatse kumuvandimwe wa mugingo Raka uyu ni yoroshye John Dalton afite iranka rya captain
Come on.
we Venus kubita hasi batichuma we ndakubaga byari suzuma sibwo bibaye seriye
What die, you son of a bitch?
watano w'inzererezi we cyano w'indaya Captain John Dalton
Take this over me, sweetheart, huh?
wa mugingo watuzama
You don't show me shit.
Dalton, stand down. Let him
Wait.
go, Corporal Dalton. Now, goddammit.
murekure none ha mugingo
Getting you next time.
ubutaha nzagucisha usi wa mugingo nzagurunzura
Take it easy on me today, Sarge.
Sarge umunsi bigenze neza nitwe neza
Sergeant. Dismissed. Get the hell out of here.
yarabikomye shawo yarakomye yakubise Bakaritas
What the hell happened?
ikira muginga mwana ubutanze muryo bubisi mwana kandi aragikomye ubutango kizamurya bubisi kandi aragikomye ibyo kigera ha ngaje kwiyunga kuri iyi kipe bajya barwanya bapushayi murafitwe nibwo akigera ikaze yararihawe yahawe ikaze kumbe mukuza agufite akantu kameze nka microchip ndagira ngo ukurikire urebe neza witonze Captain John Dalton agufite n'akaredio recorder bwa radio bumwe bufata amajwi urebe neza witonze ubwo cyagera arimo kurwana nabo ubwo cyamubwira ati ngo ubutaha nzakwica hako nanga abagabo aramagabo bakunda gukoresha mufandi yaraje gamo
Simon, get your gear together. Let's go. Hey,
we gihe kirageze ngo twekeye tugende we nagutindamo itegure usa tujye mu kazi nibwo akigira gusa umugabo arasa nkaho yaje kuneka iyi kipe ya gisirikare iyi kipe arasa nkaho yaje kwinenga bya nyabyo ubundi hakona ngaha nawemereye kuhaca ari ku cyapa ariko handitse nakwinjirira ariko nanone hari imodoka za gisirikare tayari baba bari mu kazi.
As you were. All right, gentlemen, listen up.
We mwumve.
I want to stress the significance of our responsibilities out here.
Mwese muzicyatusajya kuno.
Mexican border in an effort to deter and if necessary.
Icyo tugomba gukora ni kimwe no kurinda umutekano wako mupaka.
Across the borders.
Nawe ugomba kwinjira igihugu cyacu.
Proper documentation.
Aranyumva?
Drug dealers, desperados, or general scumbags. Dalton, you have any questions?
Nizeye ko nabindi bibazo.
Good. Where's Simon?
Nabindi bibazo nyakubahwa.
You know, take a left second over here. You have any questions?
No, sir. Ibibazo mufite nta bibazo dufite nyakubahwa.
Chain over here while you
mukora akazi rero neza kandi mugakora neza.
Yes, Sergeant.
Yego, Sergeant.
Average 2015. Now it's no coincidence that you're in my squad. I'm gonna make you or I'm gonna break you.
Icyo mabwira ni kimwe.
No. Kissing ass just pisses me right the hell off.
Ahanga ninjye utegeka nta muryo munsi y'amategeko yanjye. Ndabyumva Sergeant.
It's in your ass.
Bose byukuri mbaye ngiye munsi y'amategeko yawe ushota akaburu kanje.
See there, boys? A little humor can be very disarming.
Mwayibonye basore. Uyu musore n'umwana mwiza.
Quiet, Dalton, you got that?
Yes, Sergeant.
Now what are you ladies waiting for? A goddamn invitation? Move out and draw fire.
ubu sasa tujye kuba twakarekera mutegura umuriro wanyu.
Careful, Knox, you might whoop your ass again.
Wumva gusa byukuri none niringire yuko utari bubongere kubaza kuraniza abasore banjye nanone ngo kwabananije. Yaba habuye kari. Ubwo basa ko bari barimo baramusuzuma. Uyajeje gukorana n'ikipe. Harimo na za radio recorder za microchips yazizanye. Twadutsinga tumwe dukurura amajwi. Ndajya gukurikira urebe neza witonze. Bigaragara yuko iyi kipe aje gukorana nayo ya gisirikare. Iyi kipe ntabwo bayizeraga. Bigaragara yuko bafande nabo bayikimangaga. Bagombe ko bakorana n'abantu bacuruza urumogi. Katrore. Ariko ko ibyo batekereza nibyo. Bahura na bapusha bakabica bakabatwara ibiyobyabwenge. Abangaba nabo bacuruza urumogi. Katrore.
Good. Well, by God, I'll drink to that.
Mwana, ndabona nje naye turi buze kuba twahuza kabisa. Ndabona turi buhuze. Umwe ni captain undi ni sergeant. Uyu nguyu ni sergeant.
This Fox 1, roger that. Sane, sit right here, over.
Wasore mbyukuri nizeye ko akazi muri buze ko mwagakora neza kandi ngumvuyeho. Ako kanya barakwereka igikamyo cyazaga. Bya bikamyo bimwe bisa nko bitwara imyaka.
Check them out. Roger that.
Bamusuzuma neza murebe. Icyo gikamyo mumenye ibyacyo.
Nothing. Just follow my lead, understand?
Ira kamyo urayibona. Icyo ugomba gukora ni kimwe ugomba gukurikiza imyitwarire yanjye. Ibyo nkora nawe ari gukora. Na fande. Arimo arabwira captain. We ni sergeant. Sergeant Gamoni. Uyu woherejwe ari we Marana. Uwo muzi nka Marana. We yagarutse bamwita ngo ni Captain John Danton. John Danton. Bamwohereje gukorana n'iyi kipe. Gusa iyi kipe yaje gukorana nayo. Barayikemagaga, barayikekakekaga. Bro bashobora kuba bakorana n'abantu bacuruza urumogi. Katrore. Ku musore yaje yiteguye afite ibikoresho. Za modoka za gisirikare zaraje zitambika yakamyo. Urebe neza witonze.
Step from the vehicle. Get your hands back the field. Get them up.
Rakadura ikingi cyara rwaze cyangwa inyoye rwishi.
Go on, put your hands back the field.
Abakufira mu gikamyo.
This some kind of fucking joke.
Mwana imeze bite ko twumvikanye mugeri.
Like a fucking joke, yes sir.
We, urakeka ko naga ari imikino. Ifite na kabucura ka pisto.
That's Lionel.
Nice work, Dalton.
Mwana uteye neza mwana.
I could have been killed.
All right, what's now?
Usabye kurya wicunga iteka utisha ushobora kwicwa. Atisha ashobora kwicwa. Abanga barasa ngo baziranye nande na Afandi Sergeant Gamon. None wafashe kumwana agafaranga tukikomereza mwana. Mwana ngo siko bimeze ahubwo tuduteze ibibazo.
Hey, Sergeant!
Yes, Sergeant!
You got something?
Aricyo mfite akoranga.
What's the story, amigo?
I don't know what that is.
Mwana nyewe ngisinzi byari byo. Ise gutya. Muri umuki. Cocaine.
This help you figure it out?
Ibi ntabwo waruzi byari byo.
All right, pat him down. Pat him down. Turn around, face the truck. Hands on the truck.
Hey. Amaboko ku modokari.
Oh, man, what the fuck?
Ariko se mwana ufite ikibazo ki? Baramukoma. Baramukoma. Jeri. Waka.
You are attempting to bring illegal substances into the United States.
Mwabaginga mwe nawe murabizi. Kwanza ibyo murimo murakora ni bihamanya amategeko none tubafatanye n'urumogi.
Respect.
Bari barimo barinja mu buryo bw'amagendo.
Sorry, Sergeant.
Mbabare Sergeant.
Let's take him in. Amigos, put your hands on your heads.
Ushute amaboko hejuru.
Come on, you'll live.
Mugiye muze tugende. Tugende.
Mom, it's contraband.
Fasha ko nangasha munagira urumogi.
Hey, Sergeant.
Yes, Sergeant.
I don't love for these roaches or the paperwork that goes with the bust. I say we earn this money.
Aba bagabo kabisa bigaragara ko bashaka kuba banatanga kanwa tubutse.
Your unit.
Dore amafaranga yari yaguhaye. We na unity yawe. Ukora na unity yawe ni ibintu bikomeye cyane kabisa byiza. Mereza ko nanga afata twa dufaranga.
No, smuggle this with the contraband.
Aba barezi n'ubundi utudufaranga n'utwo bari ba tugeneye n'ubundi nago twadusiga. Akira mfasha sha. Yiga fandi.
Damn fine bus, Dalton. Remind me to buy you a cocktail.
Umva uri kumwe nanjye uzabona byinshi. Uzanagira kuri byinshi. Unanisoma unanipata. Nakupata fande. Kijana. Hey. tugaruka hakuno ngaha yaramusohokane muzana hakuno ngaha babyina bambaye twa bikini kwa twenda tumwe two ku mazi ni two babyina hakuno ngaha bambaye aha tayari
It's a good whiskey. Ought to be. It's my personal style.
barakwereka hakuno ngaha Fandi Sergeant Gammon n'abasore be arukuntu nimugura basohoka bakaza kurya ubuzimamo
Just something? Sure. Ask away. You didn't keep that roll of cash.
abamansuzi bangaha babyina biyambara twa twenda tumwe abantu bogora kuri za piscine twa bikini
Damn near 10.
umusore byanze bikunze agomba gukora ibishoboka ibyo ari byo byose ndavuga Captain John Dalton agomba kwisanisha n'aba bagabo akamenya ibyabo bakora nk'abandi bakorana n'abandi ibintu akabitwara gake yareba nabi bakamutamo reka mbatemo
They don't really get me. They do what I say.
ramuna Fandi gake porampola
Shit, I want to hear about you. What drew you in the army? Oh, man.
sirasa batangiye kugenda binjira gahoro gahoro
The agency when there's a point to it. More four-star generals. He's not even buried in Arlington.
abayobozi bashobora sanga hari byinshi badutegerejeho
Get a medal too.
bazi ko ariko tugomba kuba twagarika ibibazo by'abapusha ibara hanze
I've had a problem with some of the rules.
ndetse ibibazo byose birangaha hanze byerekanye ibiyobyabwenge bazi ko tugomba kubihagarika
The way I expected either.
nicyo biteze bashaka
About rules, I'll tell you this. Rule number 1.
hari amategeko akoranga dufite atugenga itegeko nimero ya mbere
Look out for number 1. Because at the end of the day, Dalton, you and me, we ain't no different than your daddy was.
ntabwo ugomba kwinjira ngo ushaka kumenya byinshi
Can't count on the goddamn suits, and we can't count on the army.
ubaye ushatse kubitwara gutyo ntabwo byaguhira musore muto ibyacu bigenda gake munaniso munanipata ibyacu bigenda gake
You go, it's still pretty early.
ntabwo nabura urudodo
twinjirira
Pretty little senoritas over here. Help you forget about all this bullshit.
ndetse by'ukuri rimwe na rimwe dukunda kuzakonaga kubwo kugira ngo twibagirwe umwanda tuba twaciyemo ku munsi wose
Drink.
banga ngendana ngewe
munanywamo cyane rwose turanywamo umusirikare n'icyo kunywa ruba rwarahise
For what it's worth, I get you.
ubwo yabuze ko ku rudodo umuntu
Outstanding,
aba
though.
yaka
Outstanding.
ugenda
You know, also was right. Gammon isn't just running a small-time operation.
barakwereka yaje hakuno ngaha aza guhura n'umusirikare mugenzi we w'umukobwa
We stopped a couple of us out of the men at the border.
aravuga tuva nkubwire
Straight, but I'm pretty sure they have.
ibintu hariya ntabwo byoroshye
Days later, Gammon ran a safe patrol in Albury.
John, I mean,
bitewe n'ibyo nabonye hariya ku munsi wa mbere ntabwo akwiye kuba nakina nk'akaru ka kamera
Gammon getting closer. You know what?
ahantu basiramuraga bashyira
wenda mu by'ukuri kamfasha
In a strange way, I kind of like him.
I'm good.
John
Wait, it seems to me that you'll be taking him down.
umva kubwiza ukuri rero ibyo ukora byose witonde bari abagabo bitondere
You know what I hear about these big muscle heads?
mwana mu by'ukuri urimo gushyira akanyama se sha
Big boy. Oh, sorry. Carry on, boys. Carry on. What y'all do in your free time? Stand lean.
bari mu by'ukuri mwamufite akanya se
Outstanding. Look, I have a few exercises planned. Help y'all work off those extra
urumva dufite gahunda dufite umupango
kuko kaga kitwa
Might be interested, though.
hari indodo
ese mu by'ukuri nawe urifuza ko waza kujyana natwe
buri kamwe
Nta kibazo.
bagiye basigira urudodo
Yeah? Good. Now, Dalton, you're aware that these exercises have been devised outside of base curriculum. Participation is not mandatory.
umva icyo ugomba kuba wakora ni kimwe kugira ngo ube waba uri kumwe natwe ukore mu ikipe yacu bigusa kuba nawe ukaza ufite ibitekerezo nk'ibyacu njye ntacyo bintwaye akabaraga ndi nako afande
Gear up and get out of here, boys.
basore muri tayari rero muri tayari Sergeant Gammon afite abasore yizera akorana akazi nabo gusa nanone bitewe n'ukuntu yabonye Captain John Dalton nawe yatangiye kumwizera Captain John Dalton yatangiye kumwizera bikomeye cyane ndagira ngo mwibutse mu kanya uyu nguyu yari ari kumwe na wa mukobwa Kelly Andrews arimo aramubwira ati bara bagabo ndimo najya mu ikipe yabo ntabwo boroshye gusa wagakwiye kubanshakira ka kamera.
Yes, sir.
Yego njya kubahwa ubu rumwe muri twe mwana hindukira mwana hindukira baramufata we hama barimo baramureba amabere akikura amabere yaba akikura batonsa barimo baramukeka keka
Like that pretty boy.
Umuhungu mwiza
kumanywa ntabwo byama
umuhungu mwiza sha baramucakaza barebe niba hakuna gatarashe kumaneka.
He's clean, Sarge. Of course I'm clean.
Bana Sarge ari clean nta kintu afite arakeye. He's a clean Sarge. Uba twebwe nta muntu twizera ariko na Bibiliya irabivuga neza cyane wizera umwana w'umuntu avumwe.
But I'm not him.
Rega mbyukura fan ndi kumwe namwe.
Get yourself squared away.
Bana kabisa ibyo uvuga koko niko nanjye ndimo ndabibona.
Rosado is cool with the bust. All right, no big fuck.
Gusa byukuri rero twebwe mu ikipe yacu tugiye guhitamo gakorane natwe. Turabanza tugahitamo uwo tubona ari uwa mbere. Ntabigwari dukorana nabyo mu ikipe yacu.
But I say, why the hell should we settle for a damn payoff?
Gusa byukuri none icyo ndimo ndavuga ni kimwe. Uje mu ikipe yacu agashaka kutugambanira arabyishyurira.
Even Pablo. What do you say?
Naho gitubera ikibazo.
Boys.
Yes, sir. Nizere ko muri tayari. Turi tayari afande.
You pop it in here anytime.
Batangira gukeka. Abagabo ni babi cyane. Na blague bagira. Sergeant Gamani na bagenzi be. Bakastera no.
Guys in the back of the truck, come on down, SA.
We mwese manuke mwikanye manuke mu modokari. Manuke. Run.
Come on down.
Manuke.
Over there.
Yakunanga.
You know what's today, compadre?
Hey, niwe boss y'umunsi.
How are you?
Where ute?
Something for me?
Ari fitness? Faturu fit umwana.
Muy bien. Henderson here is going to take good care of you.
Fanaje ngibiro yakonaga mu byitosha. Yafashe amafaranga aragenda arabatunga ibintu babyiteho. Uzi ngiki?
See, we feel so bad about busting your compadres. And we're going to help you boys realize a lifelong dream.
Mumva tujye kuba twafasha mu byukuri murasanga muri muraruta mw'abantu mwe.
Are you right here in the United States?
Ntago mwemera kwinjira muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Uburyo mwinjemo babuhamenya n'amategeko babaha amasasu. Sasu. Uburyo babinjemo babuhamenya n'amategeko. Kandi tayari amafaranga bamaze kuyafata. Iki nacyo nabyo ubwabyo icyaha.
Kandi nawe ufite umugore abura.
Ufata ruswa uri umusirikare.
Ufite umugore abura.
Uri umupolisi beshe utanga ruswa bimenyekane. Cyangwa se uri umusirikare uyihabwe. Cyangwa uri umupolisi uyihabwe. Sasu tugabone dukina. Biba bicane. Sergeant Gamora afite ibisore bidakina afite abasore badakina.
All clear, Sarge.
Uyu ngo byose arabirebaga. Captain John Danton. Bimwe mu byo aba bagabo arasa ngo yaje kubaneka. Yaje muri iki kipe asa nkaje gufatanya n'aba basore. Ariko yaje kubaneka areba ibikorwa byabo. Hakunanga harimo urumogi. Narimo akabaji twongeye twari. Zongeye zariye we zongeye zahiye.
Delivery to Pablo. Good work, Dalton. Come on. On the Humvees.
Yarabitegereza. Byose kamwe ku kandi. Captain John Danton. John.
Taking care of business, bro.
We business mwiteho neza we. Ni somna ni bad. Barangiza akazi bakajya muri byeri n'amabebi. Sergeant Gamoni n'abasore be bajya batinzamo bakoreraga amafaranga menshi. Gusa bakora amafaranga menshi mu buryo buhamanye n'amategeko. Zira nizo bita ngo za illegal business. Business zitemewe n'amategeko.
Los Angeles. Now we got 3 things that he done.
Dufite ibintu bitatu hakuranga dufite kuba twahangana nabyo.
From here on out, we're players.
Sasa icyo mbabwira ni kimwe. Mwitonde ibyo mukora byose mu byitondere.
We die.
Ikosa iryo ryo ryose twakora turapfa.
Time to lock, cock, and ready to rock, boys.
Bakokinga imbunda. Bakokinga imbunda. Bagenzi ba Sergeant Gammon. Captain John Dalton arimo. Akaba kose arakurikirana akantu kandi. Araho baje. Araho baje. Ni mwijuru. Nakuvuga filme kiswe The Base. Kiri gice cya mbere. The Base igice cya mbere. Iyi filme ifite kabiri. Igice cya kabiri ki The Base. Nayo bayita The Base kabiri cyangwa se Guilty as Charged. Ngo kiraguhama nkuko bivugwa cyangwa se nkuko byavuzwe. Ni kabiri yayo niko yitwa. We mugiresha ba mugiresha. Mugiresha. Mugire. Raka. Sergeant Gammon.
I see the excitement hasn't slowed you down.
No, quite the contrary. Don't give me a hand.
Where's the Marisha? Zanimari. Baguterura kunangaha. Urusanduku runini shaho. Urusanduku runini barafungura. Harimo intwaro, harimo imbunda. Mugabo atanga intwaro z'igihugu bakamuhura umugi.
Pay the man, Ray.
Bantu uratanga urufito. Uratanga urufito. Uzana urufito. Intwaro z'igihugu ziratangwa. Mugabo arazigurisha bakamukubita $. Black Dallas.
50 short, isn't it?
What do you mean 50 short? The deal was 25.
Ubanone se cocaine iri he? Uvuga se nibiki?
Ray, do you know anything about cocaine?
No se byuko nibya cocaine byari birimo se. Nibyo umugirwa cocaine byari birimo. Bazana kandi gasando kwa kunanga.
Nukuri ndamuzi nzi nuko yitwa.
Ageze gutya. Afunguye hari nk'urumogi.
Where did you get that?
Urumogi warukuye hehe?
Rosado supplies the drugs.
No se byuko biragutunguye Diverox. Biragutunguye.
Pedro. It's Pablo.
Jafate.
Hell up, Pedro.
Umva, urunguru rwagomba kwishyirwa na Pablo.
Stand, comprende? From now on, I will deliver the drugs to you, and you.
Umva, urumogi njya kurugusigira ndakwizeye. Uzama amafaranga wowe.
We turn this whole operation of yours.
Ibi ni ibintu byose twe twapanze. Umugera shaka rubaha ku ngufu. Ubarugure ku ngufu. Wana ni byinshi tugomba kuba twaganira.
No, Papito. You're a fucking dead man.
Uyu mwana mushuti urapitera gura baki. Akikarakasa. 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 Sasu. Bakugwamo.
Roberto, Manuel, venga rápido.
Uvuga muri Spanish. Ari kirimo kiraza kivugiriza.
Sorry, Holmes.
Mumbabarire mwana.
They're taking a siesta.
Gusa rimwe na rimwe uko ibintu bigenda.
Where the hell they come from?
Ntago waruza ngaho bari buze guturuka. Shaka kubacuruza umugi ku ngufu.
Put your hands up. Come on, Pedro. Put them up here.
Pablo, take the man's deal. Let's get out of here.
Mwana reka twemere dukorane abo mwana. Nose twabigenza gute? Aho kugira ngo tubure ubuzima dukorane nabo. Woni ibingi nibyo bya bindi bakubwira ngo ari ukubana n'umuturanyi mukabana ku ngufu. Bese umuturanyi,
Estimating your troops.
Kubana n'umuntu mukabana ku ngufu. Utabyifuzaga ariko mukabana. Muturanyi wa gahato. Gihaka. Yewe
niwe kabisa.
Mu baporopoje kubahura umugi baza wa mafaranga. Abo ko bahakana niko barimo barashira. Kinane y'amaraso sha.
Turn more blood on my face.
Dore
So what you say, Ray?
ngwino uhanagure agasura kanjye.
Operation for me?
akasha
Iki? Je?
leta bura
300 G's in the trunk. Apply the balance to the next goddamn car.
Fata imodokari.
You're the man.
Ibi ibyo ushaka byose ibyo wasabye. Umva.
Gracias, amigo. See you next week. Let's go, boys. Oh, Ray?
Basore.
dore ari ingenzi cyane.
Here.
Fata imari twerekeye tugende.
Get yourself some decent bodyguards. This ain't no disco.
Utwo ngutwo nitwo ngusigiye. Bose baramukubuje, bamukujeho. Bose bamukujeho. Bas. John yaje ku ruhande. Captain John Dutton. John Dutton. Ubu ni Dutton.
Bari na sawa.
Burakwereka ko ari Andrews ahanari. Kagasirikare kagenzi ke kagakobwa. Kumbu kwinjiraga hako nangaha arasa nka barimo baramucungira hakurya. Rebe neza witonze.
Got a present for you.
What's on it?
Listen to me, murder drug runners, steal and sell military weapons.
Aho harimo amakuru menshi cyane uri buze kuba wakenera cyane cyane ku byerekeranye n'intwaro amakuru y'ibyerekeranye n'intwaro.
Not yet.
Listen, John, maybe just stay in just a little bit longer.
Bose dukuri imeze biti.
Sure that the ladder stops with Gam.
John dukuri byanze bikunze ko ko amaze kumenya byinshi kuri abo bagabo.
Look, John.
John.
You realize that the only people besides us who know that you went undercover.
Wamaze kumenya ko abandi bantu basa nkaho bari ku rundi ruhande basa ngo bakorana bara basirikare sibyo?
Get too dangerous, they'll just cut me loose.
Ndabizi ibyo ngibyo nabimenya gusa byukuri none iminsi mike yamaranye na bara bagabo ndabona ubuzima bwanjye bushira kuba buri mu kaga.
You know what's funny, Kelly? It's funny that the only guys watching my back are the ones I'm trying to bust.
Icyo ndabona kubwira ni kimwe wagakwe ko washaka abantu byibuza wagakwe ko wabasha mu mugongo wanje. Kuko ikipe ndimo ndakorana nayo ntabwo yoroshye. Yebona yekanya kuma. Ntabwo nariye gakondo.
Yep.
Sergeant Gamara kurana ibisori.
Crew, huh? It's in the works. Right, dog.
Got it, Sarge. Sometime this week.
Sergeant rimwe na rimwe rigiye umuntu aba munyantege nke wepa naguha. Naguha kabisa naguha nje. Nagomba kwisanisha nabo. Ubundi ngo ugiye iburyasaza zirya mbisi. Kandi nero usanze gira urugotera nawe niwe wikiriza. Agomba kwigira nkabo. Kuko bakina amakuru. Mwana fani nawe urakijya ariko nawe rimwe na rimwe fani nawe urakijya. Yabyahaza urumogi.
You know, I hear I can have your mom's ass all night long if I want for $5.
Yeah.
Umva ariko namwe rimwe na rimwe namwe mutekereza ibintu bitagakwiye mwana.
Akageramo ikirenge. Ndio.
Wewe barasa.
Ari nutaza hayo.
Wewe mitapiga yeye sasa na mimi na mitapiga yeye. Gusa amasaha yose babikina birakundana.
Ajyamo fayirizi bya.
Bose ibintu nizere ko bimeze neza. Sanyo agapista gashyira imbere y'uyu nguyu. Imbere ya Captain John Dutton.
Took me a long time to decide what it is I want to do in this life.
Fasha igihe kirekire maze igihe kirekire ibintu ndimo ndabitekereza icyo twakwiye kuba twakora mu buzima.
While there I thought I wanted a chance for the medals and the love of my countrymen.
Usabye kuri none rimwe na rimwe tuba dufite kuba twagiye icyo dukora rwose byukuri nka bantu bafite icyo bagakwiye kwamara igihugu cyabo. Tugakora igikwiriye.
I want most out of this life. And that is
Ari byinshi nifuza mu buzima.
Ngomba no kureba icyana cye.
I want someone to say I have what I have because of Michael Gammon. Everything that I am and everything that I will be is because of that man.
that sounds pretty.
icyo muraba icyo aricyo cyose icyo naba icyo aricyo cyose umunsi cyangwa se icyo nzaba icyo aricyo cyose mu gihe cyazaza cyose ibyo bizaterwa n'abantu.
Nako buriya
niyo mpamvu rero ngomba kugaragirwa n'abantu nizeye ndetse nabo basa nk'aho bafite ibyiringiro byo biri muri njye. none ngubu
what I have to offer.
Nsa nkaho ndimo ndashaka kuba nasaba.
Ese ni ikigero kinini cy'amarangamutima cyari cy'ubwenge
yiga fande tubwire urasaba iki?
My legacy was not good enough.
Abo ndi kumwe nabo hakura ngaha ndasa nkaho nabizeye bihagije. Uyikangamo.
You goddamn motherfucker!
Murabyumva mwabikora kimwe umutwe yaramumennye.
Damn!
Stay!
Decide you with Ray.
Uyu mujinga yangambaniraga.
A little cocaine off the fucking top!
Abaswa no batanga amakuru yacu niwe watangaga amakuru yacu n'umuswa niwe watangaga amakuru yacu.
Now expect that kind of bullshit from Ray.
Uyu niwe wanezaga imyangaro niwe wanezaga imyako. Ngiye gukuru namwizeye. Nanjye wose nzapfanya. Tangira kugira mu bwo Captain John Dutton.
Not a goddamn thing.
Ungambane nago bijya bimuhira.
Understand that now.
Icyo mabwira ni kimwe.
Don't. Let's go.
Atazigira umuntu ugerageza gushaka kungambanira ukundi. Uyikangamo. Uyikangamo Captain John Dutton yikangamo. Sergeant nta mikino agira.
Clean this piece of shit up.
Uyu mwana ndawikishije. Iki gice cy'umwana ndakikishije. Mwana boss kadakina mwana amumenye ubwonko.
Private Calabrese, I have just been informed that Corporal Richard P. Henderson
Umva amakuru rwose byukuri nyeneye yuko
seems that he has taken his own life.
gusa byukuri nanone ibintu byose bitware kandi ibintu byose uzajya byoroshya mu buzima.
Parents,
ihangane
necessary funeral arrangements.
bizarangira ugeze ku byo ushaka.
What happened to that boy?
Gusa byukuri ndimo ndashaka kubona amenya niki cyabaye kuri uriya musore. Nafandi. Nafandi ndashaka kuba yamenya ngo niki cyabaye.
Henderson.
Ku musore rero arimo aravuga. Ndagira ngo ukurikirire neza witonze.
Base. With his parents at his side.
Tugaruka yakunaga muri bya birindiro bya gisirikare.
You asked me to take good care of your boy.
Waransabye rwose byukuri gukara gasone ngo mwiteho.
We soldiers are a dedicated lot. And
Gusa byukuri twabone benshi bari muri bagenzi bacu bapfa.
We train long, hard.
Twaritoje bikomeye.
Perfection.
Turitoza neza.
Pressure is never ending.
Gusa byukuri nanone rimwe na rimwe hari igihe ibintu bitaduhira. Hari igihe ibintu bitatugendekera nk'uko tubishaka. Gusa nibivuze yuko tuba tutagerageje.
Rick Henderson's life may have been.
Ubuzima twese tubayemo bugira iherezo.
It was not in any way.
Gusa twese tuba twifuza kuba twagira iherezo ryiza.
It was ours.
Gusa uyu musore yarakwira ibyiza byinshi.
Ask his forgiveness.
Niba nagomba kuba yababarirwa rwose by'ukuri agomba kuba yahabwa imbabazi. Imana izamuha imbabazi. Uwo yakosheje nk'umwana w'umuntu Imana izamworohereze. Basezeraga umusirikare wari wapfuye. Nafande ibyabaye byose John Dutton yarebaga.
LA.
Kandi arasa nkaho yaje nkamaneko muri iyi kipe. Gusa icyo batazi ni kimwe abangaba bari kumwe n'inteko we.
No sir. That's one of them. Tell the dead wetback, Sarge. What do you say, Dalton? He's on.
Zengu kimwana. Bas. East Los Angeles. Kugaruka hako nanga muri East Los Angeles, California. Uburasirazuba bwa Los Angeles. California naho tukiri. East Los Angeles, California. Barakoreka kunanga barara ku mihanda bafite n'imbunda. Sirikare baraje sasu. Akazi kawo nuguhagarika ba pushayi. Nuguhagarika ba pushayi. binjira bapusha mwana so irondo ryivanze n'ibisambu sirikare bashi bo barwana bapushayi mwana mwana bapushayi bakorwamo ikipe ya gisirikare ni ikina nabo ni bapushayi bakuru binjira barimo barakora urumogi babaha amasasu bisasu ikipe ya Sergeant Gammon Team Abel original names yagukiniye muri Kill Insect muri Drive kabiri.
Let's go, don't move it.
Tugende. Bas. Barerekera.
Let's go.
Tugende.
Hustle up. Hey, what's up?
Kugira hands.
Go. Watch your back.
Kugenda kiba guswa umusirikare agenda ari impande zose. Yinjiye akunaga mu modoka ari mu bwoko bwa Ford imodoka iratangira. Kugaruka akonanga muri ka kabari. Nibo baza gufatira rimwe twaribe rimwe ndisomera. Tugaruka hakonanga ko ari rimwe ndisomera bikini dancers hari abakobwa bamwe babyina bambaye twaturuza two ku mazi hakonanga barakwereka Sergeant Gammon n'abasore be.
I believe that.
Ibyo nayo byizera nanjye yeze zimaze kuba nyinshi.
You know what's most proud of?
Umva tugomba guterwa ishema nabo turibo.
Sake of some outdated ideal. You killed.
Kuko dufite ibitekerezo bya nyabyo kandi bikwiriye.
You believe your future.
Yeze turanga kubo kugira ngo dutegure azaza hacu. Azaza hacu na muntu zahaduha. Nitwe tugomba kwihesha. Unanisoma munani pata na fande. Tumwe kubwazaza hacu to our future.
And those like us.
N'abandi bameze nkatwe kubwazaza hacu bashyizemo byeri. Bamenye ko kubwazaza habo. Bacuruza ibiyobyabwenge, bacuruza intwaro.
Gentlemen, shall we turn?
Yebana kubwazaza hacu kabisa. Mwana.
That's I'm talking to you.
Mwana kijeho. Kakasinzi.
I think maybe we got some unfinished business.
Ase mwana utekereza yuko ari akazi mwana wasoje, ari akazi utararangiza.
He died when I was a little kid. God rest his soul.
Mambo nuri umuntu ushaka kwigira umuntu matari cyane.
Some of it's for the best.
Gusa byukuri mbona umwana w'inzererezi mbona uri umwana w'indaya.
Family thought.
Umva.
Oh yes. Vivoglio molto bene.
Umva mwana usigira indwanyi ariko nusigira indwanyi kuri nje kumbe kasinze. Nagasinze kasinze. Barakazi nakanyantege nkeya. Gakiramo icupa rimwe kashiramo irya kabiri irya gatatu riza ari rurangiza. Uriya no musinzi yasinze wana. No musinzi ariko no wacu.
Think Mallor got the message?
I'm just wondering, the more we expand our power base.
Gusa byukuri none. Nishimiye ikipe yanyu.
Shouldn't I be?
And Al Capone wasn't visible. Murder Incorporated, John Gotti, the Gambino family.
Umva John ungutere wameze kwa umuryango wacu.
Touch him, it took a fucking miracle.
Gusa byukuri none reba bari abasore banje. Ugize rumukoraho. Ibyanjye nayo twata tubirangiza. Yari afite abasore yizeraga Sergeant Gammon.
Let me worry about that.
Bese wabaye nk'umuryango.
You don't see him on my back, do you? You don't see him give me orders, do you? Do you?
Umva kuri ngewe nyine ujye umfata nk'umuntu mukuru kuri wowe. Urumva? Ariko nanone ngewe mufata kimwe.
And during my time in service,
nje ntabwo umuntu nakariza igihe cyanjye wandize igihe cyanjye.
They're both buried under the same goddamn dirt. You know what that one is?
Sinzi umuntu utwara ibintu mu buryo budakwiriye.
In fear.
Uranyumva?
Now I will be buried in Arlington one day. But until that time,
gusa byukuri nanone umunsi umwe uzatuma nkugirira impungenge.
feared.
uwo munsi nibwo uzabona icyo ugomba gutinya kuri njye. Ubu nta kibazo nacyo bitwaye. Yikangamo Captain John Dalton, yikangamo. Hey!
Now I will be buried in Arlington one day.
Kombe ya majwi yose Sergeant Gammon yarimo kuvuga ati ngo umunsi umwe wambabaje. Nibwo mu byukuri none uzabona isura yanjye nyayo.
You tell me this isn't better than a signed confession.
Wamwumvishije. Gusa byukuri none rimwe njya ambwira amagambo nkayo nkihangana.
Best, John.
John wakoze neza.
Just about the capability.
Ariko rero dukeneye ibindi bizibiti birenze byo kugira ngo dufate barabagabo.
Bullshit like the fucking suits.
I'm playing.
Wimbwira amagambo nkayo ngayo.
I'm living with the devil, okay?
Ariko kuko ubuzima bwanjye buri mu kaga.
I want to shut this ring down before Gammon does take over LA.
Byibuze wakwegura kuri ibyo ngibyo bicyamamuzaniye.
Oh, that's just fucking theory too.
Ukawangwa mu biganza by'abarabwawe. John tuza.
Listen to me.
John nyumva.
Of course we could indict Gammon and Castellano.
Akazemo gukora ndimo ndagashima pe.
This is not alcohol we're dealing with here. This shit is in our.
Ariko none yanga ntabwo ariyo mahirwe ahagije kugira ngo tube twafata barabwawe tube twabahagarika.
Oh, I know they don't tell me everything.
Nyine icyo ndimo ndakubwira, nyine kumbwira byose.
Pentagon will not go to court on this.
John barabaga kuri inshuro ngo bagiye ko wacika urukiko rwa gisirikare. Ibyo bakora bagomba byishyura John we. Yesu we, John we amanyakigali ni danje. Yesu we mama Maria. Yo.
Oh, you.
John we. Yo, ni Kelly Andrews na afande mugenzi we bose n'abasirikare. Ibintu babikora kamajeshi. Yo, abanyakigali ni danje. Abanyakigali ni danje nyine. Abanyakigali ni danje. Reka nguremo ndumva ngena nacyuwe n'izina ry'Imana ndagapfusha rukara. Uracyuhiwe reka nze nkwereke kwanza reka nze nkwereke reka nze nguzimye. Reka nze nguzimye. Ukene ko tukwamamariza iwacu amagara kuri 0787 gataratekera 03 izo numero ubona kuri screen yawe. Nizanjye uvugana nanjye. Ukene filime nk'izi ngizi. Ku bwinshi iwacu zirahari. Barambaranye bombi n'abasirikare. John yagarutse muri bagenzi be.
Fucking psycho.
Eba nose bimeze bitegamo.
Running guns, shit like that. What the fuck?
Eba muduha intwaro tubaha amafaranga. Umva.
That's all anybody needs to know.
Yeah, but I've got the heat coming down.
Urabizi by'ukuruzi byane byose urasobanukiwe.
I've had the double security. I told you.
Umva hakuranga nanye mfite umutekano wikubye kabiri ngafite double security. Afite umutekano wikubye kabiri. Mbese no kwanga umutekano we wikubye kabiri ku mande zombi.
Follow me then, Ray.
Umva.
Discriminate against.
Siwumbwira ibyo ngomba gukora.
That's funny, Ray. That's a good one.
Uretse kuba dukorana akazi gusa nta bindi bintu birenze hagati yanjye nawe. Ukuvuga ngo abangaba bano ba Sergeant Gammon bagurishaga abangaba intwaro abangaba bakabaha amafaranga. Kandi kosi iryo ryo ryose uzakora uzitegura iryo mu mutwe niryo nzakubikamo.
Call me.
Umamagare. Niba ari cyo ushaka kuvuga kizima kigaragara.
Let's go, Dalton.
Twigendere mwana John.
Hey, Dalton.
We, sigaho.
Glad he's getting such a kick out of all this.
Uriya mugabo ukorana nawe ameze nk'umusazi.
Against me.
Arasaga arimo gushaka kundwanya. Umva.
Man, don't patronize me.
Uriya mugabo arasaga arimo kungamanira pe. Arimo arangurisha arimo kunshyira ku kiranguzo.
To step on his own dick. It's up to you to try to rein him in.
Nahanyu kuko kujya ngumye mwanrwanaho. Kabone nubwo boss wanyu asanga arimo gushaka kungambanira. Umva.
Dalton?
We.
Anytime.
Wigendere. Bana ntabwo nasuzugura fande. Ntabwo nasuzugura boss. Utazi kimuhatse areba. Gitsuri. Barerekeye. Sergeant Gammon na Captain John Dalton.
That little bastard still breathing.
Uriyambwira ngo ubugoryi kira kinyendaro.
You think I forgot about that butt?
Kiratekereza ari cyatari cyane. Ari yaribwira yuko rumatari cyane. Umva gusa mbiko none uhangayikishwa. N'uryo ndimo natwaramo ibintu byanjye. Wenyizere.
Sergeant, kill Ray.
Sergeant.
Might as well retire from the army and run the drug business.
Uriya mugabo ngakwe kwa mwakumvikana mukaganira ku byerekeranye n'akazi. ahita akanagira feri. Sergeant Gammon ntabwo umuntu umuvugiramo. Wumva ntabwo ari we umbwira icyo ngomba gukora. Ibintu ngomba kubitwara kuko byose birasa nko bihagaze ku birenge byanjye.
Get the hell out now.
Soka mu modokari nona. Va kuri fora. Soka mu modokari. We.
What the fuck is going on?
Ariko se byukuri Sergeant dufite ikibazo kinini kibijya mbere. We. We mujinga.
Take it.
Fata imbunda.
Take the fucking gun.
Niba usuzugura ibyo ndimo nagutegeka ngo ufate imbunda ndase.
Too much invested in your ass.
Bariya dukorana nabo ntabwo uzabari bo.
You better stop my clock right now. I swear to God, I'm gonna shoot you.
Wagakwiye gukomeza guhagarika kushidikanyaho ukamenya abantu turimo turakorana nabo. Musubize imbunda fandi. Ntabwo nagutinyuka sinakubahuka. Sinakubahuka. Sura mu modokari. Vatiri zimwe nziza. Gusa icyo afana atazi ni kimwe. Ubu ari kumwe n'umutasi. Tugaruka kuri San Luis Rio, Colorado, Mexico no turi. No twagarutse. Ndajya ngo ngwibutse filime itangira. Ubwo uyu Captain John Dalton ndetse n'abagenzi be b'abasirikare bapfire ku rugamba bari baje gutwara Santos baje kumwimurira muri indi gereza. Aka kagabo niko kazanye n'abandi basirikare niko kazanye n'izindi ngabo. Baraza baje basa ngo baje gutabara Santos. Niyo bishe Santos. Aho twatangiranye na filime muri Sonora. Ndajya ngo mubyibuke neza cyane. Aka kagabo ni mwakabonye. Aka karimo karitegereza uyu nguyu kakabona gasa nk'ari ahantu kamuzi. Umva, watch my back. Ucunga umugongo wanjye. Umugongo wanjye urebe. Hey! Hari ibigabo byanutse byahaza urumogi. Nabyo biba birinze boss umutekano.
As do I. I would never tell you how to conduct your affairs, but I feel compelled to tell you.
Umva rwose byukuri genda kwizeye gusa byukuri ntabwo wigize witwarika bitandukanye n'uko urimo kwitwarika kuri uyu munsi wa none.
Today he confirmed Dalton was part of the team brought into.
Uyu munsi ndimo najya ngo dukorane neza rwose byukuri kandi nta kintu kibazo kivutse hagati yanjye nawe.
Intelligence.
Gusa nanone umenye yuko bamwe muri bagenzi bawe mu basirikare bari hariya harimo batasi. Batatira igisirikare cyanyu.
My men have been very clear at this point.
Icyo ugomba gukora ni kimwe rero wirinde. Andro. Ariandro.
Certain Alejandro that the man at the table is the man you saw at Boca del Diablo. See, patron.
Ese byukuri byo ndimo ndagwasa ukuri cyane rwose byukuri boss.
Did any of your other men identify Dalton?
Ibyo nibyo mwani mukene kuba mwamenyesha se. Nzajya ngumenyesha abantu uri kumwe nabo. Bamwe mu basirikare bawe ni abatasi. Batatira igisirikare cyanyu. Alejandro. Urumatari cyane. Kura bibuta itamera Alejandro. Kubwa makuru ngo bamuhaye. Ngo bamwe mu basirikare ari kumwe nabo ngo nabatasi.
I appreciate your
Nishimye ibyo mbwiye.
good intentions.
Ariko nanone asigaye naho ubushishozi bwanjye.
Your man was mistaken.
Wenda wasanga iki kigabo cyawe cyari kiranakora n'amakosa kinambeshya. Yaragarutse ni Sergeant Gammon. Gusa bwiye amakuru yuko bamwe mu basirikare be yuko ngo barimo abatasi batatira igisirikare cyabo. We tugendesha. Iryo yari time mu gutwi. Hey! Raka Sergeant Gammon na Captain John Dalton. The base igice cya mbere riko gafilme tureba. Lead creator niwe mwumva. Wa mwami muto ariko ubusanzwe utari gito. Nimero ngizo kuri screen. Ukene kuvugana nanjye ukene ko tukwamamariza. Nkamagara iyo nimero ubona kuri tableau yawe. Afana afite uburakari Sergeant Gammon.
It's a personal problem.
Umva.
It's been dealt with.
Ibyo nagarana wa mugabo.
It's all squared away now.
Ni ibibazo byare ku giti cy'umuntu. Ku giti cy'umuntu. Uri personal problems. Ni ibibazo byihariye. Ni ibibazo by'umuntu ku giti cye.
I go over payroll at the Hideaway and
Ndabona rwose by'ukuri umeze nko bitandukanye nuko wari usanzwe uri.
Work too hard, Dalton.
Niko ko byagakwiye. Nako bimeze.
No, not me, compadre. I'm the boss, remember?
Urasa nkaho utanze neza. Ese by'ukuri uribuka ko ndi boss wawe? Ugomba kumbaza biki? Mbaza bike cyane. Barakwereka iryo joro. Captain John Dalton yarasohotse. Major John Murphy. Iryo joro arasohotse. Gusa amakuru atari meza amaze kugera mu matwi ya Afande Sergeant Gamon uyu ko bamwe mu basore be harimo batasi. Hey! Akimara gutangira imoto ndavuga Captain John Danton hari imodoka mutangiyeho urebe neza witonze. Hari imodoka mutangiyeho yakoze hakuna ngaha hamwe Kelly Andrews Lieutenant akambitse Lieutenant Captain Andrews Lieutenant Kelly Andrews akambitse
Now.
Angani acumbitse.
That's impossible.
No, it's not impossible. You pick up the phone and you dial.
Fata telefone uhamagara General nonaha nyene kuvugana nawe. Ndakwingenze. Kobwa. Telefone ako kanya.
Oxenberg here.
Ni Bogi uri kuri telefone.
You're not sure?
Nyine kuba navugana nawe. Urahamya neza yuko abo bagabo kari wacuruza intwaro z'igihugu? Cyane rwose.
He's on to me.
All right, John, take it easy. I'm going to get you out of there.
John, ibintu bitwara gace byoroshye, sibyo? Banze nange abakuru.
Can't hang around long, General.
Umva birafata igihe kingana iki General?
Okay.
Sawa.
All right, hang in there, son.
Wetuza. Ibintu uva bidatinze birarangira. Okay. Kumbe. Uwakurikiranye Captain John Danton ni Sergeant Gamon Afande ubwe. Yabwiwe na kakanya Mexico. Kakanya Mexique. Ati bamwe mu basore bawe harimo batasi. Batatira igisirikare cyane. Bas. Oh, kumbe. Okay. Barakwereka kagasinzi.
Get in, damn it. Get in the car.
Wenja mu modokari.
Yeah.
Yego. Stay.
Shit. Look,
Mwanda.
we don't know for sure Dalton's a rat. I mean, I just checked this room, top to bottom.
Aya mu cyumba numvaga mbangamiwe.
Yeah, he was clean.
Numva garaga ko gukomeza gutindamo.
Goddamn shit. And he makes no...
Ndimo nagira ngo mwanda usa nka uri imbere yanjye ngukureho. Mva mwana.
Dalton has been playing me.
Arabaswa basa ngo banyinnye umukino.
It's on his bloody remains.
No ko baranyinnye umukino nyenje kubakira umukino urenze.
I'll help you do it. But for now, maybe the best plan.
Reka tubifatanye mu boss.
What's going on? Yeah, we'll keep it cool.
Uwagukinishije nanjye yanyinishije.
What though? If he's on the job, that boy ain't working alone. He's got someone else out here.
Uwensa nkaho nene nanjye kwizera. Wari utangiye kuba hafi yanjye cyane. Nuwensa nkaho nanjye gushidikanyaho.
Well, we got some work to do there.
Nyeka dufite kuba twagiye ikintu dukora. Tangira imodokari. Ndagira gukurikira neza witonze. Ngaruka Pentagon. Hey!
Can deliver serious backup.
Ndagira ngo rwose dukuri iki kibazo tugifata nk'ikibazo kiri seriye. Umusore mbwe kacye ubufasha.
That's why we have to have all of our intelligence in place before we can make a move.
Dufite abatasi biri hamwe baduha amakuru.
We do not want to take military.
Gusa byukuri nanone ntabwo twagakwiye ko twareka ngo igisirikare cyacu gikomeze cyangiza amahame turimo turareberera.
Murphy 12 more hours undercover. After that, I'm bringing him in.
Major John Mafita yari amaze kumbwira byose, amaze kumbwira yuko barabagabo bari muri birabirindiro ko ari bo bacuruza intwaro. Barakwereka Lieutenant Kelly Andrews wa mukobwa yakuvire mu cyumba cy'ahantu yabaga amanutse yahuye na Sergeant Gamon.
I'm not coming around tonight.
Do I know you?
It's a little bit early for work, isn't it?
Zibya byiza dukoranye se.
What am I guess?
Dukora n'ikisi. Uranze ngewe. Nyine ko dukorana. Kandi biraza kumera neza. Ndagira ngo ujyane nanjye ibintu biraza kuba byakorohera.
I know I prefer him to you. Excuse me.
Umva gihanganira. Shaka abandi batari ngewe. Kubisani. Kiramuha. Kita kimwikorera. Tayari. Mukobwa cyamuzanye yakunanga muri butu. Sergeant Gamon Team Abel original names. Yagukina muri Kill Insect. Driver igice cya kabiri. Yagarutse muri aka gaka. Barakwereka kuri ruhande. Hari uwazaga ni Captain John Danton. John Danton mukuza kuri ruhande. Hey! Tayari. Abaga barasa nkarimo gushaka noneho kuba yabashyira neza imbere y'ubutabera bw'urukiko rwa gisirikare. Bakaryozwa ibyo bakora. Bacuruza intwaro z'igihugu, bagacuruza n'urumogi. Benshi bagiye bapfa. Kubera iriya kipe ya Tiyande, harebye hakunanga Anderson, Castellano, Knox, Becker. amafaranga hakuno anga bakorera amafaranga menshi mu madolari kandi umukobwa wamuzanye kuri ruhande ni Lieutenant Kelly Andrews niwe John Dalton azanira amakuru umukobwa tayari akahita atanga Pentagon kwa bafande kwa baboss bakuru kwa babwana mukubwa umukobwa wamuzanye hakuno anga bamushyira ku mapingu wisinzira
Alert the MPs. Tell them that Corporal Dalton is suspected of Border Patrol corruption. You got that? Sir. He's to be detained as soon as he said.
Ndimo ndagira ngo abitwa ngo nabaginga bose bazi yuko dushobora kuba duhabwa ruswa. Bose ukiri pembeni. Mube tayari.
That's right.
Bose ntugire ikibazo. Ugutegeka kwawe ni nk'itegeko. N'itegeko.
Listen up.
Nyiramwinyumva.
Green. I'm just gonna have to put a big old piece of duct tape on these pretty little lips of yours, okay?
Mudukuri mu gihe uraza kubucecetse ibintu biraza kuba byagenda neza cyane. Gusa byukuri none ngomba kuguha uburyo ugomba kwitwararika. Sibyo? Ngiye ugomba kuguha map ugenderaho. Afata akabagi. Ari mu dupapuro. Bipapuro amena hasi.
That you have against me.
Ndabizi ko akora ngaha mu bipapuro ko bifite mu byinshi bindwanya. Ariko nanone ntabwo bigiye kuba kuri inshuro.
Is it a perfect world, baby doll? Tell me.
Mukobwa ubaye utambwiye.
I stand.
Umva. Igihe cyawe cyakurangiranye. Ayikorayo. Uruki. Yewe we.
Government issued piece of ass.
Wakicarizo we.
Now, just in case you missed those.
Utwicarizo twenda ducamo ibicece. Ubaye utambwiye ingumi kuryenya.
Definitely not the post. Now, I'm going to ask you one more time.
Ndakubaza.
Where is Dalton? And does he have any more evidence?
Nyeneye yuko umbwiye niba ari ibindi bizibitu ufite beturwanya. Ibyo mbaza sinzi byari byo. Gusa
He will kill you.
icyo nakugwamiriza neza. Captain John Dalton igihe ari buza kubaje araza kukwica.
We'll see.
Okay, turaza kwa tubireba. Barakureka John Dalton hakuno ngari byo asomye. Ibi gusubiraga hakuno nga mu ma documents. Yagisohoka mugeri.
Put your fucking hands wide and see.
Wa mugigoro koro ikiyakuno nga mu biro bya boss.
Or whoever the fuck you are.
Uri cyanda ubundi?
Rosato's boy made you. And Castellano just radio me saying, Gammons got your girl.
Wakoze ikosa rikomeye cyane wa mushenzi. Umva ngiye kukurangiza. Ngiye kukwica. Kandi ngiye gukora birakwiriye.
They're going hand to hand.
Uribeshya cyane.
Man.
Waheze tugangana nge nawe amaboko ku maboko nk'abagabo.
We all know that.
Mwana wajya ngenda gutinya se.
I've got the gun.
Nge ntabwo ngutinya mwana. Kiraseka waraseka. Baka. Hasi. Bamaze kumuvumbura. Bamaze kumuvumbura. John Dalton, Captain. Baka. Sergeant Gammon yakoranaga n'ibisore. Ntabwo yakoranaga n'abanyamayargo, yakoranaga n'abasore basobanutse. Bari icyuma kweri. Ibana rwa Nox rwara munize. Nogisi. Nox. Bakoreraga amafaranga menshi. Nawe ibaze abasirikare nk'abangaba bakora umusirikare ku kwezi ukora nk'ibihumbi 60 na bingahe y'idolari. Fatira Nox baramumennye. Nox yaramumennye. Baramumennye. Captain John Dalton yaramumennye na mikino. Nta brag. Bamuvumbuye tayari. Yaragusohokeye. Amazi n'ukogwa amagazi amazi si yandi. Tayari bamaze kumuvumbura. Ndagira ngo ukurikire katrore.
I've been all over the base. I alerted every MP.
Bana boss we nugira ikibazo. Umutekano ngani wose. Ibintu byose ndabitunganya, ibintu byose ndabikoraho neza.
Looks like somebody ain't been too cooperative, huh?
Kumbi Captain John Danton yaje.
Don't
We nambikura musore we hamwe.
We have orders to detain you, Corporal Dalton.
Dufite amategeko twahowe na boss mukuru kutemeye kwinjira mu hakunanga akuvira mu modokari. Amwitambika basakira kupembeni. Ukura hakunanga barrier. Ukura road block barrier. Ukura barrier arinjira.
I'm waiting for information.
Umva nyene ko mu makuru nyayo.
It's over to the hideaway, sir. I have not heard back from him yet.
Umva bamaze ko batuvumbura.
Well, the little bitch won't talk to me.
Hakunanga afite indaya nyene ko ivugana nanjye.
They got you, sir.
You know, Mike, when we got into this thing,
Umva
I thought I was making a smart move.
icyo tugomba kuba twakora ni kimwe. Ako ngako na akabazo gato tugufite kuba
Royally
twakemura.
to regret my decision.
Ako gakobwa dufite kukikiza. Kumva ko bavanga agakobwa bagomba kukikiza. Captain John Danton yaje.
This operation is me.
You know, Mike.
Now you take care of me, sir.
Urabizi Mike. Umva.
Don't you lay that loyal
Kibuno cy'imbunda. Abitambika. Akira pembeni. We.
and this rat Dalton. You put a bullet in it before he.
Ndimana janga ko gakobwa karangize nonaha. Wivugana nakamagambo menshi.
Maybe too late, General.
Generali wakererewe.
Step away from your desk.
Vaho ngaho mu ntebe. Vaho mu ntebe.
You misinterpreted the situation here, Corporal.
Umva. Situation kunanga iroroshye. Nakubwiye ngo vaho ngaho muri yo ntebe. Oya sindahava.
Got a hold of my partner, so you're gonna take me to her.
Umwunganizi wa Nyabizi mwamufashe. None ikuye umwana namumenye. Afande akoranaga na ba Sergeant Gamon. Niwe wabahaga amategeko. Niwe watumaga bacuruza intwaro z'igihugu. Bagacuruza ibimogi.
Where is she?
Ukobwa ari hehe?
You can still die with some honor, General.
General mwarakosheje. Yewe. Nubundi ibibazo biracyari uruhuri. Yaciyeho. Generali.
Yeah, Gammon here.
Sergeant Gammon.
Yego.
Corporal Dalton just shot General Becker.
Roger that.
Generali tayari yamaze kuraswa ndabyumva.
Be right back. Let's go.
We tugende. Generali wamaze kumuhibye. Generali wakoranaga na Sergeant Gamon. Ni bisori. Bisori aramurangije. Ageze hako nanga yabonye ba MP. Mupoe ba pepure. Muceceke ba pepure. MP ni military police. Military police. Sasa mukurikiza amasasu. The best. Kini gice cya mbere. Iyi Star Video Library line mumva. Narakubwiye ngo ndi urugero rwiza kuri babande banzi neza. Mwaba urujijo ndetse n'amayobera kuri babande banshidikanyaho. 0787 697 03 ukeneye ko twamamariza iwacu cyangwa se hari service ukeneye ko twagufashamo. Uri nk'umuhanzi ukeneye ko twamamariza imiziki yawe tukazatuyicisha kuri filime zacu. Uri umukomediye ukeneye ko komedi zawe zimenyekana, zana tukwamamarize. Hamagara 0787 697 kuri Instagram nitwa Lead Creator cyangwa se Likabarye. Kuri TikTok naho ndiyo nitwa Lead Creator. Sona bamukurikiza ibisasu. Sergeant Gamon yizi yari amaze kumenya ko uyu musore mu gihe yabasohotse muri iki kigo ari muzima. Amakuru yabazajya hanze yuko bacuruza intwaro z'igihugu ndetse bafatanya bacuruza n'ibimogi. Ibibazo bivuke bas bagomba kumuhagarika atarasohoka muri iki kigo. Birerere mugenzi Katsireri. The best. Ibirindiro iyi filime ifite kabiri. Nakubwiye kabiri yayo yitwa The Best. Irindi zini kitwa Guilty as Charged. Ukiraguhama nkuko byavuzwe cyangwa se nkuko bivugwa. Katsireri none uzacikwe. Ikinwa na Antonio Sabato Jr. Wabonetse muri High Voltage. Ntucikwe. Come on. Yarashamu kinga na kucike yohereza ibisasu. Sergeant Gamon. yazanye igifaru ndavuga cya burende to burende Jabire ne waduteye story ngo Ronaldo ngo ajya muri Inter de Milan El Fenomeno uri umunya Brazil wamutwe muri to burende yagiraga ipindi kweri Jabire ari Jabash hari aseje mundana kamuteka muryohere kebana ngo Ronaldo ajya muri Inter de Milan ngavuye ngo muri FC Barcelone ngo yagiye ngo bamutwaye ngo muri to burende ari Jabire Papa Di Costa Papa Gerari Jabire mutozo w'abagaride ba polisi ndamusuje cyane mu kirundi bari ngo ndagukengurukiye
Drop your weapon, Corporal! I got a better idea, Dalton.
Raka
We don't have to do this!
ibi koko mufite kubikora ngwiki
Fucking stabbed us in the back.
wa mujinga we waratugambaniye ugomba upfe Sas Mark Dacascos benshi mumwita ngo ni Marana hari agafilime yakiniyemo baririmba ngo Parana byose ni mwebwe mwabiteye
Henderson was a rat just like you.
iki se wa mujinga we twarakwizeye umuntu nawe nagakwiye kutugambanira Hey
Gammons going down, Castellano. He's going down. He's going to take you down with him. This is your...
mushyire intwaro hasi ibintu byose birangire
Get on your weapon.
mushyire intwaro hasi
All right.
sawa
You want to throw down? Let's throw down.
uragira ngo nuze nagutuza kabisa saso hey Captain John Dutton DJ Omari Ingozi mu Burengo kakuryoherewe n'abakira bawe DJ Omari n'umuhatari byo Ingozi mu Burengo DJ Omari agufatira inkoho mu kirundi ngo nimbunda aka kagufitiye inkoho n'imbunda the base cye hejuru akareka nkaho ibyago hamwe freeze
Drop your weapon.
imbunda yawe hasi drop your weapon imbunda hasi jugunya imbunda yawe hasi agapfa muri we mongo kaje gukira imbunda zikasabe yarakamenye ni Castellano yarakamenye ni Kagasinzi yewe barakumanukira Mark Dacascos nakubwiye benshi mu muzika Marana gusa bamwise Marana bitewe n'agafilime yakinnyemo baririmbamo Parana.
What kind of soldier are you? No damn loyalty. Loyalty?
uri umusirikare ushaka kwigira intungane
Gammon.
ahubwo ni mwebwe mwigize intungane
Soldier.
nk'umusirikare
Drug dealer.
urarengera
Lost.
ugacuruza ibiyobyabwenge uri drug dealer
Damn loose shit.
waratsinzwe.
I still got my pistola. Padre. Now be a good boy and drop your weapon. So me and my
ubaye umusore mwiza wakira intwaro yawe hasi
lady friend here can walk out.
cyangwa se uyu mukobwa agapfa bikajya ku mutwe wawe.
Now drop your weapon!
Shyira intwaro yawe hasi
Or head off.
manu intwaro yawe
Good boy.
cyangwa aka gakobwa nkabika iryo mu mutwe nkarase iryo mu mutwe imbunda yishyira hasi.
Wait, Sarge. Shoot me.
Sawa Sarge gahunda sa
That's an outstanding idea.
sawa reka ariko tubigenze ngumi raka Andrews aje ikigabo kimushyiramo. Captain John Dalton zamuka jatari kibara gikoma nacyo kirohereza bose barahana bose na batari bose na batari bose na batari Captain kuri sergeant kiramuterura ndakwambara ndagutamo reka ngutemo nanjye reka ngutemo kigufatira kunanga agashoka ndagushokora ndagutamo reka ngutemo utamunde ndagutamo yo gufatira urutiyo ndagutamo utamunde ndagutamo utamunde ndagutamo reka ngutemo fashe imbunda mutera urutiyo yamutera urutiyo mu gatuza wingoranya ku mutima ukubitisha nuwa Ewasa harya ni Ewasa w'amashanyarazi nuko Sergeant Gamuni avuye ku mvange. Lieutenant Kelly Andrews yaraje, Sergeant Gamuni yapfuye nk'imbwa. Mana nyange mbega.
Okay?
Meze neza? Yego. Bwana niko vizuri kabisa. Niko vizuri sana. Unafanya kazi kabisa. Nzaguhemba. Uzamemba iki? Barakwereka mugenzi. Captain John Dalton ndetse na Lieutenant Kelly Andrews barasohotse bakimara kurangiza akazi. Abandi basirikari nabo bari barimo baraza. Imodoka yaraparitse abani bakibamba. Uba tuva kuranga tugende. Let's begin here. Imodoka yaratangiye. Aga filime nuko kagenze kitwaga The Best. Iki cyari gice cya mbere. Iyi filime ifite kabiri. Yarukuba muri Star Video Library. Lead creator niwe mwumvaga wa mwami muto ubusanzwe utari gito. Nje narakubwanda urugero rwiza kubanze neza ndetse banansobanukiwe neza mwawe urujijo ndetse n'amayobera kuri babandi bashidikanyaho. Mwakoze kuza kandi murabeho ndabakunda cyane nagakurikirane mucikwe you The Best rimwe niyo twariho. Imana ibarinde nawo ubutaha. Ciao. The Best igice cya mbere niko twariho.